Hello, I'm Michal Janiszewski. I'm the head pastry chef in the Nici Hotel. We are in the Old Harry Rock's kitchen, and today I will show you how to do the classic crème brûlée. So this dessert is in our currently menu in the Nici Hotel. Usually we're doing quite a lot. That's why we started using the British Lion liquid egg because it's much healthier for us and much safer for our customers. Today I will use the liquid Lion British eggs. It's much easier and safer to use for us for this recipe. So the first step is mix together our egg yolk and sugar. So the British Lion eggs use the pastry system. That's why all eggs they are traceable. And the second step that will be when we will pour the double cream and milk on the pan and we will boil all together. So now our milk and cream is boiling and we will pour our stuff to our preparing before egg yolk and sugar. So now our liquid is ready. So the last steps will be we'll pour in a metal ring. And now we'll put in the oven for 100 degrees, half an hour. Okay, now our brulee is ready, so we can take out from the oven and just leaving to the chill, let's say for 10 minutes. So we will plating our crème brûlée. So we will put our crème brûlée on the plate, caramelize it with the sugar, and after we will decorate with our forest berries. And there we have classic crème brûlée with the forest fruits. We're using the Lion liquid egg.